Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a cat who wore a cloak made of leaves. Yes, you heard that right. Cat who wore a cloak. This cat wasn't like the other cats. Oh no, this cat was special. You see, this cat belonged to an old woman who lived deep inside a forest. And the cat would often go on adventures into the forest, not just for hunting little mice, but to explore the forest and everything in it. One day, the cat was strolling through the forest when it came across a field full of ripe, juicy apples. The cat had never seen so many apples in one place before, and being a curious cat, it wanted to try one. But as the cat approached the apples, it saw a huge, fierce-looking dog guarding them. The dog had sharp teeth and scary eyes, and he was growling loudly, not wanting the cat to come any closer. Now, our cat was a brave cat, but he wasn't willing to risk getting bitten by that dog just for an apple. So he came up with a plan. You see, just a few days before, the cat had been playing in the forest and had accidentally knocked off a cloak made of leaves from a tree. The cat had thought it was a big deal at the time, but it turned out it was just an old, discarded cloak. But the cat had an idea. He picked up the cloak and put it on, making sure it covered his entire body. Then he slowly approached the apple tree. When the dog saw the cat wearing the cloak, he thought he was a big, scary beast, and got so scared that he dropped all the apples and ran away as fast as he could. The cat, of course, was very pleased with himself. He had outsmarted that dog and was now free to enjoy all the apples he wanted. And that's the story of how the cat who wore a cloak of leaves outsmarted a hungry dog and got all the apples he wanted. The end.